Hi, I'm in CERN, the European Centre for Nuclear Research in Geneva, Switzerland, participating in their amazing International Teacher Week program. Thanks, Jeff, you're amazing. Jeff's been amazing enough to give me a room to present to my classmates who are interested my favorite experiments project tomorrow. So I thought that's a great occasion to show some of the clips that I'm working on now. And why not publish a short clip show online showing some of the amazing places I've been that I haven't yet managed to edit the video format. So amongst some of the top places I have in mind, I know I'll be featuring the BREA tar pits in Los Angeles, the Joint Institute for Nuclear Research, where this t-shirt comes from. Thank you again, Stanislav, for my amazing time there. Great eye-opener to the world of particle physics, and really set the stage for what I'd learned here. So enjoy the preview.
Yeah, so what you're holding right there is approximately 32,000 years old, and it's a vertebra or backbone of a Paramylodon harlani, or one of the species of ground sloth that we find here. So it's an extinct creature that was lumbering around LA thousands of years ago. These fossil deposits are some of the it's some of the richest fossil locality in the entire world.
Okay, so now we're in the collection space where you're going to talk me through some of the identification and show what a vast collection of all different kinds of fossils you guys have, right?
Yeah, we have tons. We have over an estimated 5.5 million fossil specimens and counting. So we got some work ahead of us. Most of our collections in this space is laid out taxonomically. So what type of animal that you're finding. So you'll have all short-faced bear, then you have all the black bear material potentially, and all the brown bear material, and then it will be things like coyotes and the jaguars and the American lions, and then way further down is the saber-toothed cats.
Are the saber-toothed cat ones really far?
They are. We can take a look if you want. And you can see the iconic saber that's right here. It's potentially 7 inches or so outside of the erupted space of the jaw.
Seeing Yvonne's lab at JNR was an amazing opportunity for me, where it was kind of like a kid in a candy shop, where he just kept showing me one thing after another to amaze, surprise, and when possible, confuse me. Excellent.
Y ahora las separamos. Ahora tenemos que estas cargas de aquí son iguales, son opuestas, y por lo tanto las cintas se atraen, y estas también. Sin embargo, esta con esta se repelen, son iguales, y esta con esta también se repelen. Son cargas iguales, son las que estaban encima.
Basically what I should try to do, first on a subconscious level, later on a conscious level, he wanted to depict eternity and infinity. And in doing that, he wanted to use natural elements, and that's also the magic about ESCHER, because you have something abstract as in mathematical things like eternity, infinity, and then you have the natural worlds, and he combined the two to show what he wanted to show as an artist.
First exercise normally is for students, find the right position for the light to see something. The alcohol responsible, go ahead and take this fish tank. And in the fish tank you have, so it's just plastic, and you have the felt. And this felt you want to soak with alcohol. Okay? The blade has two sides, a flat one and the one with a groove. So you put the flat side on the dry ice, the groove facing upwards, and in the groove you fill some alcohol. Just put the blade in the last moment on the dry ice before you close the thing with the aquarium. Because the first thing you see is just the... Oh, that was a big one. Yeah. There's a lot.
And depending on the way they shoot, you can categorize them, right?
Yes,
the
we will.
patterns,
Yeah, we
the
will do that.
curved ones, the straight ones.
We will do this over there as well. Yeah. So yeah.
Come back in a couple of weeks or a couple of months once I've edited it to see the videos in their full glory, or subscribe to be notified when that happens. Stay curious and keep sharing in my adventure.